This video is an introduction to the Structured Trading Growth Camp. Most people start by studying indicators. Get a clear picture of the indicators. One step forward and knowing that you have to do risk management. Take a step forward knowing to establish a specific set of trading rules. One step further and my understanding of trading continues to improve. But it still can't be profitable. Feel like you already know a lot about trading. But what else needs to be known to be profitable? There is no clear path and direction. It's confusing where to go next. In the trading market, traders are more like crossing the river by feeling the stones. The market won't give you a progress bar. Tells you how long it will be before you make a profit. What else needs to be done? There are several stages that need to be passed. A lot of people have been doing this for a couple of years. A lot of time and money was spent. But it never went in the right direction. The process of groping for oneself is very painful. I only started making profits in my 4th year of trading. Understand the importance of trade execution and money management. And then I started looking at quantification and writing my own strategy into a program. If you don't know how to write code, you can find someone to write it. It costs $3,000 to write out the basic strategy. The conditions for modifying a policy require a few hundred pieces. One of my strategies was changed to version 47. In the process of programming your own strategy, it has had a big impact on my trading. Think about how you can put your own analysis of the market. Quantify the conditions under which the program can be executed. Study how to assess the risk and profitability of the strategy. At this stage, I formed a complete trading system. That is, what is said in the video of the trading system. It can be said that the rules of the trading system are formed. It's the dividing line between my trading profit and loss. So when I made the video, I took out this part and shared it. I hope to be able to help more people. It is also in the process of studying quantification. It made me realize that one can be profitable. The strategy must be supported by underlying laws. But a more essential understanding of the market is missing. When it comes to the specific conditions and rules, the gap is huge. It's not enough to have ideas. You have to put the transaction into place for each specific rule. Understand the reasoning behind each rule. And know what kind of profit is going to be made by this set of rules. That's the deal I'm talking about in the video. The importance of cognition and the underlying laws of the market. A lot of newcomers don't have a real experience that doesn't get to this stage. Maybe it's not that deep. After so many years of trading, it is indeed not easy to get to the present. And I was thinking, if I looked back at my past self, what can help your past self go a little less pitfalls? I was able to go a little bit smoother on the road of trading. It is the cognition of trading, the strategy of trading, and the cultivation of trading ability. Or is it the training of the trading mindset? Think about it. All of this requires knowledge to do trading and learn. Improving cognition, exercising ability, and overcoming desires are all indispensable. Some people think that trading is about beating oneself in the end. I think it's important to overcome your own desires. Making a trade is a very professional thing. Understanding one aspect of trading will bring you closer to making a profit. But want to make money in the market by trading? Every aspect of trading must be systematically understood. Solve every problem of trading. For all aspects of trading. I did structured trading growth camps for the community. Systematic teaching of structured trading methods. To help traders improve their trading knowledge and ability, I have three main parts to the design of the community. The first is the core course of structured transactions. Second, a case study of each day's potential trading opportunities. Third, weekly feedback and guidance. The core course is to systematically teach trading and markets, the underlying logic as well as the structure of the trading complete strategy. A structured trading strategy is done by studying price fluctuations. Identify the expectations of money in the market. A set of short and medium-term trading strategies. Whether it's stocks, futures, forex, or digital currencies. In fact, in the short term, it is a game of funds. They are the trading cognition, price support and resistance, and market cognition framework. It will explain in detail what trading is and how prices fluctuate. What is the underlying law of the market? What kind of perspective do we use to observe and understand the market? Trading in the financial markets must be on the trade and the market this. There are two things that have a full understanding through the study of this section. It will give you a good understanding of trading and the market, and form a complete framework system to see the market. The second section is practice. It is about the practical application of structured trading strategies. The details of the structure will be explained in detail. How to do market analysis structured trading strategies with detailed rules. And how to do risk management in trading. Learn through this section. You will see how the structured trading strategy is. Forming a trading strategy through an understanding of the market. How to use the tools we learned to analyze the market. How to execute trades using the rules of a trading strategy. Whether it's the method of analysis, the tools used, or the steps of analysis. How to determine the trading opportunity. How to trade with a structured trading strategy. It is also common for people to ask if they can learn how to trade. If a trading method relies on the ability of the individual. Analyze the rise and fall of price movements every day. That's a hard way for me to learn. If it is through the laws of the market. The result of this study is a clear, concrete, and simple set of rules. Then I don't think it's hard to learn. To give an inappropriate example, but to understand. The process of research and discovery of anything is hard. But the learning and application of research results is not so difficult. It's like Newton discovered gravity. We don't have to restudy Newton's laws of motion. Any high school student learns the principles through textbooks. Listen to the teacher's case explanations and then practice by doing problems. And then through the teacher's guidance, you can learn and apply. So in the content design of the trading community. The core curriculum is the textbooks and textbooks that are studied. The daily market analysis is a case in point. Then practice through the learning of the course. Many people may also have questions. Why do you make a profitable strategy into a course and sell it? For many people, doing trading is a side hustle to supplement their income. The purpose of trading is to make a little more money. I am now a full-time trader on an individual basis. I love trading. For me, trading is what I'm going to do all the time. I'd like to see a bigger development around trading. I hope to evolve from individual trading to team trading. When you know the relationship between risk and reward in the process of trading, you won't be using leverage that exceeds the risk of your own money. The growth of funds can only be left to time. I want to be bigger in that transaction. I need additional leverage. In the past, I used my own trading strategy as a fulcrum. Let the income from trading support me to trade full-time. I made a video of my thoughts on trading. Using the video platform as a lever has allowed me to gain a lot of attention. I put my own thoughts on the principles of the market as well. The detailed rules of structured trading make a complete course.